Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. By the way, my name is Marian, and today we'll be featuring and talking to one of our amazing virtual assistants here at Remote Philippines Jobs. So let's learn more about her story, her journey, and her experience here at RPJ. Now, let's all welcome Miss Celine Albano. Hi, Miss Celine. Hello
Yes
again.
po. Hello, Miss Marian. Hello to everyone watching.
Okay, so fresh. Sobrang fresh ni Miss Celine ngayon.
Thank you po.
Okay, so before we start, Miss, can you please introduce yourself first to our audience?
Okay, my name is Celine Arfel Albano. I'm from the city of Pines, Baguio City, and I'm 22 years old.
Diba? Sobrang bata pa ni Miss Celine, guys. She's already been working. Sobrang nakaka-proud talaga sa mga kabataan na talagang nagtatrabaho para may puhunan, may pera, diba? And it's really, meron talagang hahanap ng trabaho just like here at RPJ, guys. Hindi hadlang yung edad sa pagtatrabaho as long as you do your best. Diba? Just like what Miss Celine did. Okay, so let's move on to the questioning part. Miss Celine, are you ready?
Ready na. I'll try my best.
No choice. Ang ganun. Okay. So first question I have here, Miss, is in regards with your personal growth and, your confidence here working at RPJ. So my first question is, what's something about yourself that improved since joining here at RPJ?
For me, when it comes to my behavioral skills, mas lalong na-enhance lalo yung pagiging responsive ko. Kasi at my role, we really have to be responsive at all times, like responding to VA concerns, or tapos kapag may binigay na urgent task, kailangan gawin agad. And yun talaga yung isa sa mga task ko sa role ko ngayon. And aside from that, when it comes naman on my personal growth, mas lalo akong naging confident sa sarili ko na kaya kong gawin lahat ng kung anong ibigay sa akin.
Wow, so you're really growing, no? Even though in a young age, you're really growing and you're really learning here at RPJ. And I know in the near future it will be really helpful for you with those experiences na nag-gain mo here at RPJ. So I'm really happy na you're open to it, open ka towards parang mga new learnings. Hindi mo parang kino-close yung door mo towards new learning. And that's parang a good behavior din, especially when you are working. So good job on that part, Miss Celine. Okay, next question I have here, Miss.
Yes po.
Before this job, what was one thing you struggled with personally?
For me, ako yung tipo na na overthinker ako. Like when I do my task, or kung may task na binigay sa akin, whenever I do the task that was given to me, I would always overthink na tama ba yung ginagawa ko, or will I get good results from this, or wala ba akong mali. So yung mga typical self-doubt na kung tama ba lahat ng ginagawa ko, ganun. So back then I would always ask approval from other people, mga ganun. And I usually doubted myself when it comes to doing things, but then ngayon, mas lalo akong naging confident na kung ano sa tingin kong ginagawa kong tama. Yun, as long as aware ako na tama yung ginagawa ko, nang hindi ko iniisip yung iniisip ng iba, or kung anong mga negative things na naiisip ko, dun ako nag-improve ngayon.
Wow, so proud of that one. It's really important din talaga na you have to listen to yourself only, diba? Or yeah, okay lang din na sa iba, but in regards with the decisions, it really comes in you talaga. And it's really important that yung mga decisions natin galing talaga sa atin, diba? And I'm so happy and I'm so proud na hindi ka nagpadala sa kung ano man sinasabi ng iba. Right? And
Yes.
by the help of RPJ, yung confidence mo and parang to know more about yourself was improved by joining here at RPJ. So good job on that part. Kasi eventually, talagang helpful niyan in the near future. I know na we might be, or anong tawag dito, we might encounter other people, ganyan-ganyan, and eventually, nakatulong yung RPJ sa'yo when it comes with your confidence, or it comes with your decision making. So good job on that part, Celine. Thank you so much for that one, Celine. So next question I have here is in regards with the real work experience. Okay, so here at RPJ, was there a task you thought you couldn't do at first, but now it really feels normal?
I think there was a time na nabigyan ako ng task ni Sir Phil sa recruiting operations task. Tapos back then I would think na I would always wonder na paano kaya nagagawa ng mga tao yung mga mga nandoon sa sa pagre-recruit ganon not just here in RPJ pero sa lahat ng klaseng companies in general. Like paano kaya yun? Like paano kaya just the question na paano nila ginagawa yun, anong mga ginagawa nila, ano yung mga kino-consider nila para ma-accomplish ang task bilang part of the recruit team ganon. So nung nagawa ko nung naging part na ako ng recruit team ng RPJ, parang syempre I struggled at first, medyo nakakaak sa una pero nung tumagal naman nasanay, tapos it felt normal lang pala na magse-send ka lang ng messages or updates sa mga applicants ganito ganyan, and that's something na I thought na mahirap nung una. Ko, okay, ganito lang pala siya, and bearable naman ng mga nagawa ko as part of recruit team nung time na yun.
True, totally agree with that one. At first talaga sobrang hirap. You have to adjust yourself din, di ba? But eventually, kahit ilang weeks lang yan, parang nasasanay kahit nakapikit ka lang dyan, yung kamay mo, alam na kung saan pupunta, anong next step, ganyan, di ba? So, kapag masanay ka na, and eventually, hindi ka na nahihirapan din. And I'm so, there are people who trust us na, yung parang yun nga, yung sabi mo na, parang you thought na hindi mo kaya, but eventually with the push with other people or Sir Phil, parang nakikita nila tayo ng capabilities, ganon, na, okay,
Yes.
I didn't see that in myself, na kaya ko pala, pero other people push me for this, and ngayon, nalalaman natin, okay, pwede pala ako dito, kaya pala,
Yeah.
pwede pala ako dito, and eventually, it's really helpful for us in the near future, di ba? And pangdagdag sa natin, sa resume na,
Resume. Ang dagdag ng skills, nag-upgrade din
skills. Yes, upskilling. And you know what? It's really important, guys. Here in the VA industry, you don't focus on one niche. Okay? Don't just focus on one niche. It's really important na meron kang alam na hindi lang isang skill ang alam mo. Really important to upskill yourself, really upskill and upskill yourself here in the VA industry. Huwag ka lang mag-focus sa isa. Yan lang yung advice ko. And I'm really glad na here at RPJ, nagagawa natin yan. Diba? Hindi lang isang skill yung ma-learn natin or mai-improve natin here at RPJ, kundi nadadagdagan siya. Kasi dinagdagan tayo ng mga tasks, hindi lang isang skill, yung maano natin with myself. So, meron or madagdagan yung mga skills natin with the help of RPJ, guys. So,
I agree. And I found out na in RPJ they let us come out of our comfort zone. So mas marami tayong na-explore na skills and mga task.
So, totally agree. So, yun yung sabi ko na RPJ was really helpful. Kasi, they just allow their agents or their VAs to learn more, or kahit meron ka na experience, they didn't stop there. Kahit meron ka na experience, tinuturuan ka pa rin talaga nila. Or binibigyan pa rin talaga nila tayo ng mga SOPs, ng mga resources, ng mga materials for us to learn more. Parang ganun. So, hindi sila gahaman sa knowledge, guys. Talagang tinuturuan nila yung mga agents nila. That's why we are hiring newbies or yung mga walang experience, because everything is provided. Everything is provided, guys. So you don't have to worry about it. So RPJ taught me, and Miss Aline to go outside your comfort zone, to know that there are still other, aside from just one niche, meron pa tayong capabilities na hindi lang natin nakikita kasi nag-stay lang tayo with just one. But the help of RPJ, guys, it really allows our wings to spread more. Parang ganon. Diba?
Yes.
Okay. So next question I have here, Miss, is what motivates you to show up and give your best every day?
Well, for me, I work. I know for myself that I work every day because I have goals to achieve, and it's why, of course, it's nakaka-humble yung itong experience na makapag-work sa RPJ, and of course, it's normal na there are challenges and struggles, and we really begin we have humble beginnings, but at the end, I work every day because I know I have a purpose, and I have goals to achieve in life, and I know that it will be all worth it in the end. Ayun.
True. I totally agree. Thank you so much for that wonderful answer, Celine. I really know we have to work hard then. If we don't have any goals or wala tayong gusto maabot, wala tayong vision, wala tayong gana magtrabaho eh. So dapat talaga tatandaan natin kung ano yung goal natin para meron tayong motivation to really work our best every day. Ganon, just like what Celine did. So always remind yourself regarding your goals, regarding your vision, para motivated tayo to work every day. Ganon. So if wala tayong goal, nagtatrabaho lang tayo, always, it feels like parang It's really, anong tawag dito, parang nakaka-burn out yun. Wala tayong goal na sinusunod or wala tayong ini-aim na goal while working. So dapat talaga, just like Celine did, guys, always remind yourself regarding your goal and your vision while working para talaga ganahan tayo magtrabaho. Ganon.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that, Miss.
And also, we should not take this for granted. That's what I learned lately. And we should be thankful talaga na may nagaya natin nakakapag-work tayo kasi of course may gusto tayong gawin sa buhay, mag-travel man 'yan, makapunta man ng concert or mag-ipon man para sa studies in the future. So yeah, we just have to be grateful talaga in what we're doing and what we have right now.
True. Wow. So, ang ganda naman nun. I really love your mindset, no? But we have to be grateful. Grateful talaga in everything. Kasi not all people are fortunate enough na makapagtrabaho ng ganito. Or even working from home. And alam ko yung goal, one of your goals, Selena, is makapunta ng concert ng BTS ba yun?
Ah, yes.
Naalala ko. Sabi ko makapunta ng concert ng BTS.
Tama na isip mo, ma'am.
I'm rooting for that one. I'm really rooting for that one. At please send me a picture if na-achieve mo na yung goal na yun. Na, hi, miss, andito na ako sa concert ng BTS. Soon, di ba? I'm really
Okay,
rooting for that.
I'll keep that in mind. Magsasend po talaga ako sa'yo ng picture kapag nakapunta ako.
I'm really rooting for that one, Celine. Naalala ko lang, siya pala yun, yung gusto makapunta ng BTS. So, in the young age, you're really working hard already. Alam ko na kaya mong ma-achieve yung goal na yan. So, just keep going. Just keep moving. Alam kong mangyayari yan. Okay.
Manifest na ako yan.
Okay, so thank you so much for that one, Celine. It reminds me to stay grateful and ano tawag dito, to keep reminded me of what my goals are. Parang kanon. So dapat talaga always remind yourself what's your goal para meron tayong strength, diba, motivations to work hard kasi meron tayong goal. It's either man yan yung sabi mo, concert man yan, gala man yan, it's either for your tuition, for your everyday life. Always remind yourself to be grateful and to know your goal and to keep reminded of your goal. Sobrang bata mo pa, pero yung knowledge mo, yung wisdom mo, sobrang lawak na. So,
Thank you po.
I'm so happy for that one, Miss Celine. Okay, next question I have here, Miss, is what's one lesson, or let's just move forward to that one, in regards with the company culture and the support? Since you've been here for like, how many months already?
9 months or 9 months.
So for your 8 to 9 months here, what makes this company stand out from other workplaces?
For me talaga, based on my experience, is the positive working environment because they always RPJ makes us feel that we're just comfortable with each other and we're so friendly, we're so open, and they remind us that it's okay to make mistakes as long as we are learning, and at the end of the day, kung may mistakes man na encounter or challenges, we really do help each other as a team. And ang isa din dyan is nakakapag-communicate tayo ng walang kahit anong hiya, ganon. And we're just really comfortable with each other. And yes, we really uplift each other. Ganun. Walang lamangan.
Totally agree with that one. Yun talaga yung parang nasa-stand out with the RPG are the people here. Because we don't just see, for me I don't just see you guys as my colleague or my coworker. I just see every people here at RPJ as a family. Yun talaga. Kasi we uplift ourselves. Or kahit isang tanong mo lang, there's really helpful. And then, merong recommendation, okay, Marian is capable for this, or Celine is capable for this. Hindi sila, si Celine hindi yan ganyan, hindi dyan pwede sa ganyan. Instead, other VAs really recommended you to the boss. Parang ganun. So that's why we always see, I always see this company na talagang nag-uplift with each other. And with the help of the team also, sa ganong paraan, hindi siya nakaka-burnout while working. Kasi alam natin hindi tayo pinipressure with our co-workmates or our workmates, right? So yun lang. Yun talaga yung maganda dito here at RPG, guys, are the workplace or the work environment talaga. So yun lang. So next question I have here is, or should I say, the last question, or the last two questions that I have, or left here. Last two questions I have here. The first one would be, how do you see yourself growing in this company long term?
Ulit ate.
Oh, okay. Do you see yourself working here on a long term?
Yes. Here in RPG, I see myself working pa rin in the future because what I of course, this is my first formal job, and this is also my very first experience, and maganda yung and as a beginner, maganda yung experience ko dito sa RPJ. So although I might get another job in the future, I will always stay here because parang nagkaroon ako ng standard na
Wow.
yeah, na yung environment talaga natin, and yung values natin here sa RPJ is na inaalaw nila tayong mag-grow and have more opportunities na to expand our skills and to improve ourselves. So I standard na talaga ako, so gusto ko ring i-maintain lahat ng yun. So yes, I can still see myself here for the next couple of years perhaps.
Thank you so much for that one, Celine, for seeing yourself to stay with here. As long as meron pa talagang RPJ, guys, nandito at nandito lang talaga kami. We don't have any reasons to leave RPJ naman. But we know, not all siguro, we may have like other endeavors to follow. Mga ganyan. But for now, again, we can really see ourselves working here at RPJ for more years. Okay. So, my last question to you, Celine, would be, this one. Why do you think more people should apply here at RPJ?
It's better for people to have a place here in RPJ kasi it's really good for beginners. It's really good for people na gustong i-explore ang online world.
I totally agree with you, Celine. If the people, for those people who really wanted to start for remote work, mga ganon, those people who just graduated, yung mga student na gustong magtrabaho na just like Celine, just a young age, she's already working. So if you're that kind of people, guys, you are actually the people who's right or perfect fit for this company talaga. And you know what? Here in the company, that's why here in the company we are accepting newbies, mga walang experience, just like Celine did. This is her first time, her first work from home job, or we can say the actual work. Kasi here at RPJ, it's all provided, all resources, training materials, SOP. It's just for you to work hard and to learn for that one. So if we are going to ask, why do I think more people should apply here? It's because you will earn from here, guys. Okay, you should apply here because if you want to have a a work environment that is supportive, that's really helpful, that uplift each other, yung mga ganon, lahat ng hinahanap natin sa isang work environment or isang workplace, nandito yan sa RPJ, guys. Like, no joke. It's legit. So that's why we see ourselves talaga staying here for years. So yun lang, di ba? And for Celine, she's still young. She's 22, guys, but she's now working here at RPJ. So it's a reminder na kahit wala kang experience, kahit student ka pa man, or kahit bata ka pa, as long as in your legal age, pwede ka dito sa RPJ.
And my RPJ is really a good opportunity for all, especially for beginners, kasi kahit na wala kang experience in the past, or kung gusto mo man i-explore ang online world, this is RPJ is the best job for you kasi they allow, speaking din for my experience, they allow you to grow, and binibigay talaga nila yung mga task na sa tingin nila kaya mo nang hindi mo na magagawa mo rin pala. So this is really a great opportunity for growth in terms of career, and also a good opportunity for behavioral growth, skill, lahat na ng klaseng growth na mararanasan mo dito sa RPJ.
True, totally agree. Yun talaga, guys. I hope that you listen to Celine's advice talaga. Because she is also a great example, no, na RPJ is really looking for someone then. As long as you do your best talaga, pwede ka dito sa RPJ. So, basically, that's it. That wraps up for today's conversation, Celine. And I just want to say thank you so much for sharing your experience. It really means a lot. And I know a lot of people will be able to relate to this. And guys, if you're watching this and you're curious about remote work or becoming a VA, I hope that Celine's experience, Celine's journey gives you a real and honest glimpse of what it's like behind the scene. So if you want to explore RPJ, don't hesitate to reach out or drop a comment at the comment section or visit our website. And once again, thank you so much, guys, for watching.